Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 2, Chippa United 0. Brother, how's it?
Sapela Mapolo bonja.
Sharp, thanks man. Ubani ka mo biyawu.
No macho langla etiplo Mapolo.
Number 1. Ibona njani game namhlanje?
No, yazi I must say the good coach that we have and the good team that we have. More especially, you know how he used his team today.
Yeah.
I'm impressed with the way he used his team. The absence of Umbogazi, and then we saw Nda on the bench. That is good for us. But I must also say the patient.
Can you switch it off, please? You're waking it.
The patient in the game. He was patient enough. You know, we were panicking, but he was patient enough. Right subs at the right time.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, the way he's rotating his team, it's healthy. We are moving in the right direction, and I'm telling you, something big is coming. Come May.
Yeah.
Come May.
Do you think you're gonna take this one?
I believe.
Oh, it's promising so far.
Listen, I'll be here. Come May, I'll be here. We are winning games that are most important. You know, we are winning games that. And you look at the log in Mapolo. We have conceded less goals. I think compared to any other team.
Exactly true. Yeah.
That's the fact.
And a lot of clean sheets also. Yeah.
A lot of clean sheets. So that is how you want to win the league. You need to win games where it's most important. Sometimes you need to grind for result.
Exactly.
Today we're patient. We got the goals at the right time.
Yeah.
I must also agree that our police is our next best player in this country. And how the coach uses our players, I'm happy with that. Rotation is key. Mapoloba, you know, Sundowns has been the best team because they will bench these so-called beast players of their team.
Some they put them on the stand.
But they still win games. So we've benched our police, we've benched our Tito, we've substitute our and Bogas on the stand, but we still win the game with 2 goals, clean sheet. Then we can't ask for more.
Perfect. Thanks so much, my brother. Congratulations.
Celebration.
It's all good, man. All the best.